As a real estate agent, I'm sure you got this experience. People you know or you just know or anybody, your friends, your family, people with same group with you, people who just go class with you, anything, they'll come, they know you are a real estate agent, they'll ask, can I get your advice? I want to buy something. Can I get advice? This project can buy. This property can buy. Right? They will ask you, right? Their advice for advice. So usually, right, what do you do? Especially when you meet like a family member, a persistent family member who keep asking, and then a friend who keep asking. They to them, right? They think they trust you. That's why they ask you. So what I used to do, right, is like I will answer. I will like either blue tick them or no comment. Okay, people that I don't know well, people that I don't feel like answering, I just blue tick them lah. Especially just cut out of the blue, come and ask me. I don't even know you. The best part is that they don't. They are actually buying from another agent. Then they ask you. Another agent earn a commission, no, but you are the one that need to convince them. Okay, you didn't make a wrong decision, but if you tell them you make a shit decision, then what's next? Alright, they already bought. Okay, and some of them want to buy, then will ask you, but commission don't go to you. And even though you sometimes the best part is that you are selling that same project, and they themselves go and ask you go and buy from another agent. So what do you think? How do you feel? I feel damn frustrated. You taking up my time, you taking up my research, to then go and pay someone else. What's the point, right? You feel like telling them, hey, bro, hey, not buying from me, f off lah. I got other things to do, right? I want to deal with another clients who are serious, who are buying. Okay, then they'll say, !aiya! Kenny, friend asking you cannot me. Okay, so how do you deal with this situation? Outside that you sure get one. Last, like I mentioned earlier, last time I just say no comment, I blue tick, but now simple. I'll just say this one I learned from ChatGPT. No, if I really use what I think and say, it's not going to be sound so tactful. It's not going to be sound so professional. Okay, and it's definitely will tell them to f off in a nice manner. Okay, so I put all this in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is actually very good. No? Then they come up with a very professional template. This one is good to use if like you don't know the person, you don't really know, then they suddenly out of the blue come and ask you, So this is what you can say. Say I would love to provide my opinions and insights and share with you, but unfortunately this will take up my time, and my time is I reserve for clients who are buying or selling through me or doing a transaction through me, or you can just word it in Malaysian contact who are doing business with me lah. Then it's only fair to them because I'm actually, my time is committed to them, so it's only fair to them that I give them my best attention. Okay, but however, if you are looking to buy or sell or do a property, let me know in the future. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. All right, then you full stop. Whatever they answer ask that after that, right, it's just full stop. That is more professional. You can just say, you can just type it out or just say over the phone, ask, sorry bro, sorry this if you're talking to a friend, sorry bro, this one actually I what I cannot provide you insight because it's at the end of the day doing research and doing site visit, all this one requires my time, and at the moment I'm actually focusing on the clients that is doing business with me and doing they need my attention to buy or sell their property. All right, but however bro, in the future, if you are talking, if you are ready, you need my help to buy, sell or rent a property, you are welcome to contact me anytime lah. All right, so then you will get two reactions from this. Wow, Kenny now very lancy Wow, damn lancy last time not like that, no. Now arrogant. Second is, okay, I understand, Next time if I want to buy property, you're the first one that I think of. So you get to. I will be last time I'll be thinking that if I get the first one right, I'm not a good friend. But then I realize all these people that we call friends are just convenience at the moment. They are just convenient. They label you friend and they just ask you, but they didn't think of your time. It's you. Yes, you are watching this. You as a real estate agent, you are a business person. Remember, okay? You are the one that set the boundaries, and you are the one that need to convey the boundaries. Because if you don't, people will ask, because they trust you ma. It's natural they'll ask you because they know you, they trust you. Of course they'll ask you, but you are the one that sets the boundaries. Tell them nicely. If they don't understand, then it's not your friend in the first place. Just let it be. Okay? If customers are even better, the leads are even better, they don't understand, you just ignore them, because you don't want to work with people who do not respect your boundaries. Remember, you got 24 hours a day. So what you do during that 24 hours a day does matter a lot in moving your business forward. You need to be selfish with your time. That's what I want to say. I want to try to tell you. This is something I learned the hard way. I used to be a lot like everybody ask me, then I just answer ni. But at the end, no leads one, you know. No business one. It's a waste of time. So now what I do is I do videos like this. Okay, so you can actually see the vibe. You understand before asking me. This is what I will share with you. Okay, and there's no hard feelings. It's just I need my time to do my research. I need my time to focus on my clients that will be doing a transaction. Okay, so do not feel so bad about that. I know as a new agent, right, as a new agent you will definitely like be bombarded with questions, especially with your circle, because these people actually trust you. And at the start, right, I always mention please do not choose. Okay, at the start, take everything and then learn. Then you will see a way to refine it. If you cannot see, go and ask people that is already in the path. Okay, this one also I ask people. I ask ChatGPT how to answer. If I answer back, sure will takao one, pop. Sure will start fighting one. So that's why I took that words that I would exactly want to say. I put into ChatGPT, come on, answer. Okay, so I hope that helps. This is Kenny here from Promise Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.